Hello everyone, welcome to Yummy's kitchen today. In this video, we'll be making chocolate idli lava cake. You only need 3 ingredients: 2 packets of bourbon biscuits and 1 packet of Oreo biscuit. You can also choose 3 packets of bourbon biscuits, which is your choice. Once you break them into the jar, grind them well. And now alongside, heat some hot water and also melt dairy milk or dark chocolate. This would take about 2 or 3 minutes. Once you have done with this process, keep this aside. And then take the grinded mixture. Add this to a bowl. And then add 1 cup of milk to this. Add slowly so you can mix until you get a batter-like consistency. Mix for about 5 to 8 minutes. It should look like a cake consistency or dosa or idli batter consistency. Now take a idli plate. Brush some butter or ghee onto it and add 1 spoon of the batter. And then half teaspoon of melted dairy milk and dark chocolate. Add this in middle of the idli mixture and then on the top close it with the batter again. Top it up with some pistachios or cashew nuts or any nuts of your choice. It would enhance the taste of the lava idli cake. Once you have done that, keep the idli plate onto the vessel that has boiling water and cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can see that the idlis are nicely cooked. Take them out while they are hot. There you go. The delicious idli cake is ready. This only needs 3 ingredients and 15 minutes of your daily life. I'm sure everyone in your family would enjoy this delicious, hot, mouth-watering chocolate lava idli cake. Please make sure to try this at your home and let us know if you liked it. Thank you for clicking on the video today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel, and also let us know if you would like us to make any other recipes in the future. Thank you for watching.